Hey guys, today was written to send high quality images on WhatsApp. So if you guys would like to go ahead and easily send high quality images over on WhatsApp, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And once we're already here, I would like you as proceed with choosing your bird chat to send a specific HD photo to. And this is, I'll just choose this one right here. And I want you to go ahead and just choose the plus icon over here so that we could actually go ahead and choose the option to use our photo and video library to choose a specific image. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on that. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just tap on my preferred photos to send. And as you could notice, we do have the option to send this as an HD image, but this won't necessarily be sent as always, because you do have this prompt saying that you cannot set this to HD because this media is not HD resolution. So the best we can do is to not send images that we have downloaded from the web. The best option for us is to send images that we have took from our device and send it to that specific person. So let's say you want to send this one right here. You actually go ahead and send an HD image of this to that person so that, of course, you guys may use the HD image option. So let's go ahead and just choose as. So let's say you could choose this image. So I'm gonna tap on HD version and let's tape on HD quality, and you can go ahead and now send this photo to. I am in the best quality possible. That is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.